Hello everyone, my name is Gracie. I'm going to teach you how to make some fresh juice to boost your immune system and to protect yourself from coronavirus. The ingredients are 1 poken orange, 1 lemon, 6 strawberries, and sugar. But before you do this, you have to wash your hands and the fruits. So let's get started. The first step is you have to cut the strawberries in half. But be careful when you cut because you might cut your fingers. So ask an adult to supervise you when you cut. Then when you're done, you have to put them inside here. Then you do it to the other glass. Then, the next step is you have to do the orange. You have to cut the orange in half. Just like that. And then you squeeze it in the squeezer. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Then, when you're all done, you have to do the lemon. You also have to cut it in half. And then you squeeze it as well. You squeeze, 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 squeeze. You squeeze, you squeeze, you squeeze, you squeeze, you squeeze. Then when you're done with the orange and the lemon, you do the other orange as well. Squeeze. Then the other lemon. You squeeze, you squeeze, you squeeze. Then, when you are all done, you have to pour it. Then when you're done, you have to do the rest. And when you're all done, you have to do the sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2. Then 1, 2. Then after you're done with the sugar, you have to do water. If you're done adding the water, you have to stir. And if you're done, then if you want it cold, you can put it in the fridge. But if you want warm, you can add some warm water. So that's it. I hope you like my fresh juice. Keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye. Come now. Your juice is ready. Bye-bye.